Good morning to all. Good morning. Okay, we are taking a remaining part of an astrologer's day. I think we are on the page of 4. Okay, the nut vendor blew out of the fair and rose to go home. This was signal for the astrologer. This was the signal for the astrologer to bundle up too. That means when the nut vendor pack up his shop or close his shop, that was the signal for the astrologer to pack or to close his shop also. Since it left him in a darkness, except for the little shaft. Okay. Of the green light, which stray in the somewhere and touched the ground before him. So when the nut vendor switch off his light, that time there was no any lighting for the astrologer. There was one green light was there. Little. Okay, बघा आवाज आता. So when he saw a client, he said to that person that you are looking careworn. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me. मीन्स तू थोडा वेळ जर का बसशील आणि माझ्याशी बोलशील तर इट इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू बिकॉज यू आर लुकिंग a careworn. You are looking in a problem. You are in a difficulty. The other grumbled some reply vaguely. The astrologer pressed his invitation. But another person is some grumbled means his grumble means चिडणे चिडून बोलणे grumbled some reply vaguely vaguely means अपस्ट तो अपस्टपणे चिडून काहीतरी गुरगुरतो. The astrologer pressed his invitation, whereupon the other thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologer." The astrologer felt challenged and said, तो म्हणतो की "You called yourself an astrologer." तो व्यक्ती जो आहे तो त्या ऍस्ट्रॉलॉजरला बोलतो की तू स्वतःला ऍस्ट्रॉलॉजर म्हणून बोलून घेतोस किंवा संबोधतोस. The astrologer felt challenged and said, titling the other's palm towards the green shaft of light, "Yours nature is." Okay. Means he saw his palm in a green light and he's trying to say something. That is, your nature is. You know very well his regular sentence, you know very well, which is we seen in a last paragraph that your nature is like okay, means there is any girl or woman like this. So when he started such lines, that person, the client said to him, "Oh, stop that." The other said, "Tell me the something worthwhile." Okay. Means this client is different client from the regular client for the astrologer. When astrologer start his regular sentences to impress the client, that time client said to him, client said to him that, "Oh, stop that." The other said, "Tell me some worthwhile." मला काहीतरी चांगलं सांग, काहीतरी महत्वाचं सांग. Our friend felt scared, irritated, annoyed by the restaurant. I charge only 3 paise per question. And what you get out to be good enough for your money. बघा आता असं जर सांगतोय त्याला की आय एम चार्ज ओनली 3 पैसे. ओके 3 पैसे फॉर वन क्वेश्चन. अँड व्हॉट यू गेट आउट टू बी द गुड इनफ फॉर युअर मनी. म्हणजे 3 पैशामध्ये काय मी तुला असं चांगलं सांगू शकणार आहे. ऍट दिस द अदर withdrew his arm, took out an anna and flung it out to him, saying, I have some question to ask. If you prove you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me with interest. The client is very dangerous client here. He said to the astrologer that, yes, take this anna, but I have some question to ask. I have some question to ask. If I prove you are bluffing means खोटं बोलणे. Okay. You must return that anna to me with interest. Means you are, if you saying what you are saying is not correct, is not suited to me, that time you must return that anna with the interest. If you find my answer satisfactory, you will give me 5 rupees. The astrologer said to that person, okay, if you find my answer that is satisfactory for you, then you offer me 5 rupees. आता ह्यांच्या दोघांमध्ये शाब्दिक बाचाबाची चालू झालेली आहे, शाब्दिक वाद चालू झालेला आहे दोघांच्या मध्ये. अँड दॅट अस्ट्रॉलॉजर इज गिव्हिंग आन्सर टू दॅट क्लायंट दॅट येस I will return that, but if I gave an answer to you and that is satisfactory for yourself, then you must give me 5 rupees. That time, no, or you will give me 8 annas, or will you give me 8 annas? Okay, all right, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong, said the stranger. Now, stranger said, all right, provided you give me twice as much if you are wrong, said the stranger. This pact was accepted after a little further argument. So after argument, the astrologer accepted that pact. Okay. The astrologer sent up a pair to heaven as the other lit a chariot. So chariot means cigar. Chariot means cigar. So pair to heaven as the other lit a chariot. आता तो थोडासा टेन्शन मध्ये आलेला दिसतोय आपल्याला. कोण? Astrologer. So he prayed to God, prayed to heaven, and he started a cigar. The astrologer caught a glimpse of his face by the matchlight. आता हे त्याने का केलेलं आहे, सिगार पेटवण्याचं नाटक तो करतोय कारण त्याला त्याचा चेहरा पाहायचा आहे. कारण आपण आपल्या लेक्चर मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे की जो काही तो प्रोफेसी करतो आहे तो त्याला कुठलंही भाकीत नाही करता येत. तर तो जो मनुष्य त्याच्या समोर दिसतो आहे त्याची स्टडी करून किंवा ऍटलिस्ट 10 minutes that person is talking with the astrologer. After listening that person, astrologer is enough, he has enough idea to say something about that person. But here the person is not ready to say something about himself. And as well as there was no light, so he can't see the face of that person. So it is problematic for the astrologer. So he used some tricks here, that is he light the match light. There was a pause as car footed out the road. Jutka, the horse-drawn cart, drives saw at their horses, and the babble of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. आता तेवढ्यातच देर वॉज अ पॉज ऑफ कार हुटेड ऑन द रोड. एक कार तिथे थांबते आहे. द सॅट डाऊन सॉरी and the jutka means horse driven car, म्हणजे घोडा गाडी आपण म्हणू शकतो त्याला, horse cart. Okay. The other sat down, and the babble of the crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. The other sat down, sucking his cheroot, puffing out, sat there ruthlessly. The astrologer felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your Anna's bag. I am not used to such challenges. It is late for me today. So when he saw the person face, that time astrologer is not able to give any suggestion to him, and now he is worried about that. He is feeling uncomfortable. Okay, so here take your Anna. He said to that customer, yes, yes, take your Anna back. I am not used to such challenges. मी असलं challenge घेत नाही. And it is late for me today. I'm getting late today. Okay, so he giving some excuses to the that person. He made preparation to bundle up. The other held his wrist and said, you can't get out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing. बघा, आता दुसरं क्लायंट आहे ते पण तितकं जबरदस्त आहे. आता ह्या ऍस्ट्रॉलॉजरला त्याचं भविष्य सांगणं काही जमल असं वाटत नाहीये, त्यामुळे तो पळण्याचा पाठीमागा लागलेला आहे. And he said that to the person, take your Anna's bag. Today I am getting late, so I want to go home. That time the person client said to that astrologer, no, you can't get out of it now. You drag me in the while I was passing. मी जात असताना तू मला पकडला आहेस, तर तुला ते आता सांगावंच लागेल. The astrologer revealed in the grip, and his voice shook and became faint. Leave me today. आता मात्र ऍस्ट्रॉलॉजर जो आहे तो घाबरलेला दिसतोय आपल्याला. त्याच्या लक्षात आलेला आहे की हा मनुष्य माझं पितळ उघड करणार आहे आज. And he said to that person that please leave me today. I will speak to you tomorrow. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge. Go on. So another person said, no, there is no any excuse to you. Challenge means challenge. Challenge means challenge. Okay. The other thrust his palm in his face and said, challenge is challenge. Go on. The astrologer proceeded with his throat drying up. There is a woman. Second weapon of that astrologer. He opened that there is a woman. Okay. You know very well, काही अशी पाठांतर केलेली वाक्य असतात ह्या लोकांची, आणि तीच वाक्य ते पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरून लोकांना आपलंस करण्याचे प्रयत्न करत असतात. सुंदरपणे ते बोलतात, म्हणजे इतकी कॉन्फिडन्सपणे ते बोलत असतात की आपल्याला वाटतं की अरे बाप रे, ह्या व्यक्तीला माझं सगळंच भविष्य समजतं की काय. आपण काल बोललेलं आहे की अशी काही एक स्त्री आहे तुझ्या जवळील किंवा तुझ्या रिलेशन मधली, की ती तुझ्यावरती जळते किंवा तुझी ती तिरस्कार करते, असं म्हणायला स्टार्ट केलं तेवढ्यात स्टॉप said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Okay. There was, means when this astrologer trying to say that there is a woman, you know, where there is a woman, तिचं ते वाक्य ठरलेलं आहे. But that client stopped him. Stop, said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Here he got an idea. The answer means that person said, here I succeed in my present search or not. Answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go. Still, you disgorge all your coins. Disgorge means they'll surrender under pressure. Disgorge means जे काही तुझ्याकडे आहे ते सगळं मला तुला द्यावं लागेल असं तू answer this and go, otherwise you will not let you go. You disgorge all your coins. The astrologer muttered a few incantation and replied, all right, I will speak. But will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like. आता ह्या अस्ट्रॉलॉजरला थोडासा कॉन्फिडन्स आलेला आपल्याला दिसतोय इथे. ही सेइंग दॅट मीन्स त्याने बोललेलं आहे तिथे की shall I succeed in my present search or not? And that time he got a clue. And the astrologer said, yes, all right, I will speak. All right, I will speak, but you will give me a rupee if what I say is convincing. जर का मी तुला सांगितलेलं तुला पटलेलं असेल तर तुला मला 1 रुपया द्यावा लागेल. बघा. Otherwise I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like. आणि तसं असेल तर मी माझं तोंडच उघडणार नाही. तुला जे वाटेल ते तू करू शकतोस. After a good deal of haggling, the other agreed. The astrologer said, you were left for that. Am I right? Haggling means bargaining. Haggling means bargaining. So there is a bargaining between client and the astrologer and the deal is fixed. Now deal is fixed. And after that, the astrologer said to the that client, you were left for that. He took out the pinch of sacred ash and held to him, rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again and you will live in the 100. आणि तो त्याचा आपल्या हातातली जी सॅक्रिड ऍश आहे ती घेतो आणि त्याला तो फोरवर्ड वरती लावतो त्याच्या आणि नेव्हर ट्रॅव्हल साऊथवर्ड अगेन आणि पुन्हा साऊथ दिशेला तू काय करू नकोस, प्रवास करू नकोस. यू विल लिव्ह टू बी 100 आणि तू मग 100 वर्ष जगशील असा त्याला आशीर्वाद देतो आणि तो तिथे थांबतो. Remaining part we will see in our next lecture. Thank you very much.